Time to make a YouTube video. Haven't made one forever, so here we go. Okay, here's our heavily used Samsung stovetop. So I got it 8 years ago, give or take, and this infinity switch went bad, hence bad on top. So basically, there's a resistor that just goes bad over time from using it. And the front right is used the most, so it's toast. I'll have all the part numbers and stuff below, but there it is on the side. You can use the link in the description if you want the same one that I bought. Pretty simple. Open this sucker up, and there's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 are already removed. Before we get into it, I just bought a knockoff, similar branded thing. It looks the same, feels the same. Will it be the same? Only time will tell. There we go. Yeah, feels pretty much the same. For comparison purposes, we can look at it top to top. It looks almost identical. Part numbers are slightly off, but everything looks pretty much the same. The edges are very sharp, but it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is lift up, and then the other part is you can either kind of hammer fist it up, or you can wiggle it out, but it will come out like that. The metal is sharp, so be careful as you hang stuff off. I went down to the breaker and I turned it off. This is being held by a thread, so plan accordingly here. 2 screws, just got to remove it from the front, right? That's where the 2 screws are. Plug in all the plugs accordingly. So here's your example on this side if you need help, but just match it up, plug it in. White, black, white, blue. There we go. So now boom, line up the notch. 4. The moment of truth. Low. Low. Better be nice and not super red. So far, looking okay. You'll know when it's not working when every one of your pancakes is darker than the stovetop color. And then perfect. That's it. Turned off on low. That's what I want to see. On, off, on, off, on, off. You confirmed it. Good to go. To high we go. It should be just lava red. And it'll probably never turn off. There it goes. All right. Well, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully you guys can fix it.